Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are all fine and enjoy good health and good spirit at your home. Today we are starting the discussion and analysis of the French Revolution. We are starting discussion about the first point, the French Revolution, which basically made by the mark of the Romantic age and Romantic period because before the before the writing of this poem, the poetry have different shape or different form. But after the publication of first poem, which was basically inspired by great social and economical revolution in France and written by William Wordsworth, the Romantic poetry took a new form and English poetry emerged into a new shape. So we will be starting the discussion from the title of the poem. The full title is The French Revolution as it appeared to enthusiasts at its commencement. In short form, the poem is named as French Revolution. In literature and historical book, we find the French Revolution by Wordsworth, but nickname is confusion or conflict. The French Revolution is name of movement, social movement in France. Full title appeared in the book Lyrical Palette of Wordsworth. The French Revolution as it appeared to enthusiasts at its commencement. Enthusiasts are the people are considered the public who are very active, very excited about certain happening in this society. This poem is consisted of 14 lines or 14 verses, and throughout the poem the mood of the poet is active, passionate, very emotional, and especially very hopeful. Actually, poet want to say when French Revolution started in 1789 to how the active people and the pro-movement and pro-revolution people welcome this revolution and the spirit of the age and how they reacted, how they respond to the event which were basically happening in the late of 18th century in France and Europe overall. Main theme is hope, welcoming of a new age and new era. When we are analyzing verse by verse how writer or poet portray the spirit of people, understand the France economic and political condition, if we want to understand European people welcoming such events all over the Europe because of the problems created by the industrial revolution and new economic age. First was oh pleasant exercise of hope and joy. Actually, a poet want to say here the language and attribute assigned to the lyrical poetry very crucial यानी important कि किस तरह लैंग्वेज पोएट के मूड को स्पिरिट को एक्सप्लेन करती है डिस्क्राइब करती है the first words very remarkable because it is a form of exclamation in the first line to exclamation has been used यहाँ से पोएट की लैंग्वेज उसकी इंटरनल थिंकिंग उसकी फ्लो ऑफ इमोशंस का अंदाज़ा लगाया जा सकता है हाउ द पोएट इज एड्रेसिंग द फ्रेंच रेवोल्यूशन ही इज नेमिंग इट्स एज द प्लेजेंट एक्सरसाइज द फ्रेंच रेवोल्यूशन ऑफ वर्ड्सवर्थ was like active activity enthusiast spirit and it was not disturbing activity. French Revolution is like a fruitful activity and pleasant exercise, hope and joy. French Revolution was the major event in the history of Europe for the poets. The French Revolution was pleasant exercise, was fruitful activity which not only give people hope of new time and good time but also give joy because they had the power of change the society and change the social norm and the special economic condition of the country so that is why the people who were taking part in French Revolution they were considered the revolution as the symbol and the sign of hope and enjoyment. The second verse is for mighty were the auxiliaries which then stood upon our side, we who were strong in love. In second verse, actually, poet want to say, the people who have assisting the French Revolution, the people who support French Revolution, they were very mighty or very powerful people. Who were those supporters? Why they are standing with common peoples, the people who connected with love before the commencement. Three type of state or class. One class is clergy, mean who belong to religious people, and the second level or class that was related to nobility or the noble class. Third class of the commoners or the common peoples, they belong the laborers class, working class. First class sport kingship or monarchy. When फ्रेंच रेवोल्यूशन को जो सपोर्ट मिली थी वो मिडिल क्लास की वजह से, मिडिल क्लास जिसे सेकंड स्टेट या मिडिल क्लास कहते थे उनकी वजह से सबसे ज़्यादा सपोर्ट मिली। किंग लुइस जो उस वक्त फ्रांस का किंग था, किंग लुइस 16 जो फ्रांस का किंग था, बादशाह था, वो करजी यानी रिलीजियस पीपल के साथ मिलकर पॉलिसीज और इकोनॉमिक कंडीशन क्रिएट कर रहा था, जिसकी वजह से वर्किंग सफ़र कर रहे थे, वर्किंग हो रही थी, मतलब इंडस्ट्रियल एरिया में इंडस्ट्रियल क्लास भी सफ़र कर रही थी बिकॉज ऑफ द टायरेंट एक्टिविटी और टायरेंट पॉलिसीज, द किंग प्लस सपोर्ट ऑफ क्लर्जी और रिलीजियस पीपल इनटू एक्सरसाइजिंग पॉलिसीज। फ्रेंच रेवोल्यूशन को जो सबसे ज़्यादा स्ट्रेंथ मिली, सक्सेसफुल हुए, दैट वाज बिकॉज ऑफ दीज सपोर्टर्स, those auxiliaries, because they were mighty, powerful people, economically very powerful people. They were on their side. Third verse, which then stood upon our side, those supporters, those noble peoples who were standing on our side. We means labor class or poor class, who were poor or thought yet. They were very much connected, strongly associated because of a relationship of love and similarities French Revolution. वर्किंग क्लास की सपोर्ट जो थी वो नोबेलिटी, वो वर्किंग क्लास की वो जो नोबेलिटी थी वो वेरी पावरफुल पीपल थे, जिसकी वजह से इनको सबसे ज़्यादा अपने फ्रेंच रेवोल्यूशन को स्ट्रेंथ थी उनकी सबसे ज़्यादा, जिसकी वजह से उनको फेम मिला, पावरफुल थी और इसकी वजह से सबसे ज़्यादा पावरफुल हो गई, बन गई और ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग हो गई, ज़्यादा इम्पैक्टफुल हो बन गई। Third verse में exclamation signs. Poet is very enthusiastic. He is very full of passion, full of hope, joy. Next verse is bliss was it in that dawn to be alive. In those days, in the time of revolution, it was like a blessing to life for the people who living in that age, the, who were observing the changes, and the even that age were very blessed people, because a new time, a new era was emerging to economic condition was going to reform, being life a very blessing, but to be youngest very heaven. But the people young in age, they were like a heaven. Why? Because the young people are more enthusiastic, more passionate. इस एज में राइटर कह रहा है कि इस एज में जो जिंदा रहे उनके लिए बहुत बड़ा कमाल है, उनके लिए बहुत बड़ी खूबी है, और जिन्होंने इस एज को में एक्सपीरियंस करा, ऑब्जर्व करा और अपने तौर पर ब्लेसिंग दी, जो यंगेस्ट एक्टिविटीज थी, मतलब दे वर एक्सपीरियंस और कंडीशन ऑफ हेवन, बिकॉज दे वर होपिंग एंड दे वर एंटिसिपेटिंग द बिगिनिंग कमेंसमेंट ऑफ न्यू टाइम। वो टाइम कौन सा था? वो था टाइम था ऑफ टाइम इन विच six was in which the meagre tale for biding ways of custom laws and statues took at once the attraction of a country in romance. The actually poet want to say that was the time, that was the period when the old okay, that was the time, that was a period when the old policies, old statutes, old government policies, monarchies, the state की थी, they took at once attraction of a country in the romance. इसमें पूरे मुल्क की जो अट्रैक्शन थी ना उन लॉज की तरफ, वो उन कस्टम की तरफ थी। इस अट्रैक्शन की वजह से फ्रांस को कंट्री ऑफ रोमांस भी कहने लगे, लोग बुलाने लगे, बिकॉज दिस एज द रोमांटिक एज बेसिकली द एज इज which emotions, human expression, human imaginations. For beginning of the French Revolution up to end French Revolution, which is the period of 10 years, 1789 started let's start एंड 1799 ऑलमोस्ट हो गया था, एंड हो गया था उसका। उसके बाद नेपोलियन ने आके डिक्टेटरशिप किया अपना, वहाँ से प्रोक्लेम कर लिया था। और 1789 रेवोल्यूशन स्टार्ट हुआ। जब स्टार्ट हुआ तो 2 ईयर 1789 टू 1799 फ्रेंच रेवोल्यूशन बहुत जोर पकड़ा, बहुत जोर पकड़ा, अरूज पर असेंडिंग था। 179 वन वो बेसिकली एक इवेंट्स हुआ था, एक इवेंट हुआ था जिसमें फ्रांस के सिटी पेरिस वाज कैप्चर्ड ऑक्युपाइड बाय द पब्लिक और किंग और मोनार्की का पैलेस था, दैट वाज अटैक और किंग को डिथ्रोन कर दिया था, यानी उसको निकाल दिया था, उतार दिया था। 1792 उसको किलिंग कर दी गई थी। इट वाज लाइक अ ग्रेट टाइम एंड होपफुल। This time is historical of France, people, country France. Policies about textile economic policies were outshone and they were removed. They were outshone and they were removed. They were challenged, reasonable laws, reason in the sense of intellectual class. When most intent, when majority of the people, most of the public and intention was there working on a very prime enchantress. Enchantress means a beautiful lady with magical power. Is a phrase which is being used for the French Revolution. All the people, majority of the public were basically trying to capture or trying to take participant in the event of revolution. This revolution was not happening into isolated place. In 13 words, not favored sport alone, but the whole earth, the beauty word of promise that which sets the budding rose above the rose of full blown. The actually poet want to say revolution is not taking place onto some favored spot alone. Whole country was active in this age, and the people of the whole country were taking part activity of revolution or into the mob riot, the proclamation which were happening all over the France or beauty France, which were happening all over the France. इस revolution में जो beauty था ना, that had a promise of new age, that has a promise of new beginning which set among वो जो ब्यूटी था। पोएट कहने की कोशिश कर रहा है कि ऐसी ब्यूटी तो किसी पैराडाइज के गार्डन में भी ऑब्जर्व नहीं की गई, बिकॉज इट वॉज द budding rose above roseful below. The moment was like a journey. The moment was like a travel. Budding rose more attractive is more beautiful than a rose fully blown. एक कली ज्यादा अट्रैक्शन रखती है ज्यादा फूलों की निस्बत। This revolution is more important, they were more significant. Thank you for watching.